Today I'm going to unbox and review Boult Audio BassBuds Loop Wired Earphone. Welcome to my channel, this is Ashutosh Sharmal, and if you are here first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when new video is uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. First, check the box details. Here's the earphone picture with model name. Here are the features. This priced at $11.99 but you can get this under $4.50. Let's open this. First, we have a warranty card, large and small ear tips, a clip to attach to your shirt, and here's the earphone. This earphone is made up of aluminum alloy and plastic, ear loops to hold earbuds steady in your ears. The cable is Kevlar covered to provide better protection. It's more than 4 feet long. Here's the mic and a single multifunction button. The button's quality is good. Here's not L-shaped but an angled 3.5mm jack. Build quality wise, cable is strong. It's round shaped and it's not at angle free cable but still won't be tangled easily. Ear tips are angled to provide a better fit and fit into ears perfectly, and these loops provide better stability so it won't fall off easily even if you are running, exercising, cycling, etc. You can use this for hours without any problems. Mic here provides clear sound even in noisy environments. Right now what you're listening is through this mic without any edits. For a moment I'll just keep quiet so you can listen how much ambient noise it can capture. And as this earphone fits perfectly in your ears, it provides very good noise cancellation. Now comes to the sound quality. This earphone comes with 12mm neodymium drivers which produced quite a loud and clear sound. Highs and mids are clear with quite a good amount of bass. Bass is good but it's quite balanced. It's not too high or too low and it never overshadowed vocals. Vocals are clear. So finally, should you buy this? I would say if you are on a very tight budget and want a good earphone that is durable, can be used for hours, fit perfectly in your ears and comes with a loud, clear and good enough sound with good amount of bass, you can definitely go for this one. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.